Hello everybody and welcome to Elderberry Sprout. So today I'm going to be showing you how I like to make a signature to go inside of my traveler's notebook. I recently just finished up my magical Book of Shadows signature in my traveler's notebook, so I need to make a new one, and I'm going to do that with these papers here. So first, let me show you what we're going to be making. Here is my traveler's notebook. You guys might have seen this in my last video where I go through it and show you. But I have finished this little signature in here, and they're all in here with elastics, but I finished it, so it's time for me to make a new one. So what I've done, I'm going to slide it out of there. What I've already done is I've made a template for this size piece of paper because I like how this fits in my traveler's notebook as it is. So I've already made a template, and that is right here. And then I'm going to be essentially just using this template to cut out all of these weird pieces of paper. And I'll do that, and I'll get back to you guys, and then we can see what it looks like all together. Ta-da! So here we go. You can see I just recently switched the orange that was on the inside to out here because it's a little more like kapow! And it's October right now, so I figure I don't know how long it'll take for me to go through this, but orange is a perfect color for October. It's a little bright for me, so I might go through and try to distress it with like some maybe a brown crayon or something around the edge, just make it a little bit darker. I'm going to glue this Adam and Eve print that I got from a book. I'm gonna glue that down to the front to make it a cover, or make a new cover for it, because with my old Book of Shadows signature, I'm going to be making a junk journal made up of all of the signatures that I go through to kind of keep it all categorized, and I think it's going to be cool to keep the cover a part of that, so that I can kind of remember when it was in my journal, because if I use the same cover, then I won't have any like tangible memory. Anyway, I figure that'll be fun. So this is gonna be the new cover. Here, this is ugly. It was some old paper from the 1980s, and I'm going to collage something on top of it. Don't know what, we'll see. Piece of lined paper, pretty basic, some wrapping paper. The portrait. And it's a little piece of paper from a book I had. Some more scrap paper. And this is not like the most beautiful junk journal. This is just for me to take all of my spiritual notes in. So videos I watch that resonate with me, that have like little tidbits I want to remember, or just things that I'm going through, or shadow work that I do. This is great for that because there's a lot of writing space. That's kind of a fun gold leaf paper there. I've never done this before, so we'll see how this napkin fares in my book, you know. So there's that. Some more weird copy paper. And it's funny, these cats are upside down, but the wolf is right side up, so that's the part I care about. This wolf was just from a coloring book, and I don't know if I'm gonna color it in or what. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, then it's just all the same thing on the back side. So I'm not going to stitch the signature closed, I'm just going to keep it as it is like this. That way I can, when I stitch it together in my Book of Shadows, once I'm done with a whole bunch of these, then I'll be able to do the stitch work there. And maybe if I want to rearrange things, I doubt I will. I'll probably just keep it chronological. But if I do want to rearrange things, I'll have the option to do that then. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this. I hope this inspired you to make a scrappy junk journal style signature for your Book of Shadows. And maybe subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.